I'm Melissa Fortune of Created by Fortune, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you guys the Balenciaga boots that I just got in from the Vestiaire Collective. First of all, let me give you guys a backstory. So my friend and I were shopping a few weeks ago. I came upon these Parenza Schuler boots that I absolutely love. And I was looking at the boots and the price. And I was like, oh, these kind of remind me of the Balenciaga boots. And I was telling my friend, and she knew exactly what I was talking about. And then she said, oh, you saw that Monroe Steele got a pair a while ago. And I was like, wait, what? I was like, no. So she basically told me that she saw a vlog that Monroe had done, and I believe it was in Paris, where she got a pair at a vintage shop. And then it just dawned on me, as obsessed as I've always been with these shoes, I've never tried to find a vintage pair. And her saying that like sparked this bug in me, and I went on a complete deep dive. I didn't have to go that far to find these boots. Initially, she told me she's been seeing some on Poshmark, but Poshmark can be a little funny, and there's no way to verify if it's real. I know if I'm going to a well-known secondhand site like the Real, what's the other one? Obviously Vestiaire Collection, but there's one more that I'm blanking on. I'll put the name up at the top if and when I remember. So a little bit about the Vestiaire Collective before we get into the boots. So it says access to the world's largest collection of pre-loved luxury and designer fashion, blah, blah, blah. We're committed to offering high quality, long-lasting styles that are good for our environment as well as our wardrobes. That's why we ban fast fashion from our platform permanently. They have a note under sell confidently. Get the most of your wardrobe with simple listings, direct negotiations, fast payouts. Plus, you'll get easy to understand price recommendations, prepaid shipping labels. When you make the final sale, we monitor our community daily for extra security and peace of mind. That means you'll be communicating with verified customer profiles, safe in the knowledge you're selling to genuine fashion lovers. I didn't have to search that hard. As soon as I put in Balenciaga Ceinture boots, a ton of listings popped up. So let's get into a few key details. These boots came out in spring 2011. The original cost was $1,275. They're made in Italy. The boots are leather with cutouts. The heel is 2 inches. The original listing price was $412. I paid $395.50. When you sign up to receive emails from the Vestiaire Collective, you get a 10% off code that you can use, but also they have like special codes you can use also in-app. This was a birthday gift to myself. These boots are in damn near immaculate condition. It only has a little creasing at the toe and a little bit of wear at the bottom. Now, when I first started doing the hunt, I got prices from all over the spectrum, to $300 to $1,000. Some pairs that were so toe up and the seller still wanted like a G for them. I was like, you gotta be out of your mind. So I saw these. The only thing is I was trying to figure out, these are my first pair of Balenciaga shoes, 1. 2, I was trying to figure out how the sizing runs, but everything I came across was all over the place, and it basically said each shoe kind of has its own cut and styling. So it took me a long time to figure out what to get. Normally in flats, I always get a 7.5. Heels, I get an 8. Anytime it's a designer brand, they tend to run smaller, I'll get an 8 off the bat. But this did not have any half sizes. So instead of going to a 38, which again, some websites said was a 7, some websites said it was a 7.5, some places said it was an 8. So I decided to just go for the 39 and hoped for the best. And they fit. Not only do they fit, it's a little snug. And that's because I have extremely wide feet. So I always have to deal with breaking in a shoe in this area first, because I cannot go up a size with this or else I'm gonna be swimming in the fucking shoe. The quality of the leather is immaculate, just the shoe in general. You can find different options that have different colored hardware. Some will have gold, some will have two-tone. I love that the buckle is black while all the other hardware is silver. Again, minimal wear. There's a little wearing here at the styrofoam at the buckle, but that's easy. Little wear at the hardware here, and then I love the contrast stitching here at the sole. Excuse the mess in the background. I literally don't have the energy to clear out this space. I'm very proud of myself. I filmed 7 reels today and I'm exhausted. So I styled this outfit to go with my Balenciaga boots. This is a sweater from H&M that I got a while ago. I almost got rid of it and sent it to ThreadUp. I'm happy that I decided to keep this. And this skirt I got from Zara recently from the not ZW collection, the Surplus collection, I believe. If it's still available, I'll link it below. And I'm wearing one of, let me get up closer, my favorite tights from Caledonia. Ooh, Love these. I don't think these are available anymore. And of course, my boots. They are comfortable, and just from wearing it today and filming it, they loosened up a bit. They feel pretty much fine now. Again, it's at the ball of my feet where it's a little tight for me. This was definitely a great purchase, and I'm very, very, very happy. I can't even tell you. Let me know what you think. This is a super quick video. Just wanted to show you guys my boots because I'm absolutely obsessed. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it. And if you're into fun fashion relatable content, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. That way you get an email in your inbox anytime I drop a video. And that's it. Peace.